Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to take a quick look at a Doucet SDM-M-1-30-72 mitered door clamp. The DM stands for door master, M is for mitered, but remember a mitered door can also do your rail and style or cope and stick doors as well. This one, of course, being mitered, does have your corner adjustments. I'll go through that in just a minute. The 1 means it's a single door, and the 30-72 means 30 by 72, of which that is what it is open to right now. If you come over, you do have your rear horizontal. That is adjustable by simply grabbing this lever here, releasing the lock, and simply adjusting it up and down where you need it to be, and then re-locking it in place. This does have a 3-position control. And the first position is going to be air release. So that's basically off, which is going to purge the system of air. Then you have a center position, which is 2. That is basically the second position. It's going to apply about 80% pressure, and it is going to allow for adjustment. For instance, if you look here, you can sit here and you can dial in your downward pressure on that top left corner to adjust your miter. If we come to the third vertical, you're going to notice that there's 3 adjustments on. You have your top right corner, your other top right outside corner, and your bottom right corner. Furthermore, coming in and pulling that lever all the way forward is going to put full pressure and close the clamp all the way. We're going to come in and release it and bring it back to the first position. Now, the max is 30 by 72. This one does have an additional optional vertical in it. So I'm going to tell you what the minimum is, and it's a little bit tricky. So we're going to come in and move these down. Currently, with all 3 in place, you do have a 5.5 inch by 18.5 inch minimum door. If you were to remove the center one, you would have a 5.5 by 12.5 inch minimum. And there also is a filler that can go in here that'll allow you to do a 5.5 by 5.5. We do not have that filler, but that is available separately through Doucet. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.